Hello guys, good day to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest update. This is the weather analysis for this weekend of August 23 to 26, Friday to Monday 2024. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation, one of the best educational institutions in the Bicol region and in Naga City. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You. If you're interested, just click on the link up here. Or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI Sustainable with You. And also one of the best hotels in the Bicol region and Naga City, Avenue Plaza Hotel. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. So let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat for yesterday, issued yesterday, and this is valid for today, Friday. And the Philippines continues to be lucky. We have another cyclone that formed northwest of Guam. This is tropical storm Shanshan. Shanshan is a Hong Kong name for young girls. So they are the one that contributed this name. So Shanshan is outside of the Philippine area of responsibility and is likely to move towards the north in the general direction of the Japan mainland. Okay, so expect the island nation of Japan will be again bombarded by another cyclone and is likely to become a typhoon as it approaches southern Honshu or the area of Shikoku. So guys down there, within the next 4 to 5 days, please take all necessary precautions for the arrival of this potential typhoon Shanshan. And it has a trough extending towards the East Philippine Sea but not affecting the Philippine Islands. Just the usual localized thunderstorms continue to prevail across our country. And these thunderstorms are only expected to prevail in the afternoon or evening. So watch out for possible flooding and landslides in low-lying areas and along the mountain slopes of your respective mountains. And also, those who are fishing, be prepared for possible large waves generated by the downdraft of the severe thunderstorm. So usually in the afternoon or evening, it's not advised to fish around because of these localized thunderstorms affecting your area. Okay, so so far there's no weather disturbances or major weather system affecting our country for the next 24 to 48 hours through the weekend. But early next week, we might have the resumption of the Southwesterly Windflow or weak Habagat across the western sections of southern and central Philippines. And if we take a look now at the fast animation, so there you go. This is Shanshan now approaching typhoon intensity with winds of 100 to 110 kilometers per hour. Barely moving. It has moved north-northeast at 7 kph slowly. And here over the west of the country, along the vicinity of MiMaRoPa, we have a developing surface trough. These are composed of array of thunderstorms. Okay, array of thunderstorms, which will bring more rainfall across this part of the Philippines. And here's the remnants of LPA 91W in the vicinity of Okinawa. Nothing to worry about. It's not expected to intensify. And for the track of Shanshan, based on all of the computer or based on all of the tropical cyclone warning centers across Asia, they all agree that the system will track towards either Shikoku or southern Honshu within the next 4 to 5 days. So that's the time frame. So most likely that will be on Tuesday or Wednesday, the arrival of this system over Japan. And for the ensemble forecast from the European model courtesy of easterlywave.com, you can clearly see there's only one lone system here based on the ensemble, while over the Pacific it shows scarcity of development. There's a increasing number of tracks here based on the ensemble to the west of the Philippine Islands, but this is not yet expected to become a significant system. Once it populate, okay, within the next couple of months, this may become an active LPA or even becoming a tropical depression based on the isobar data, which is at LPA or tropical depression status. There are some at tropical storm strength to the west of Luzon, but this is not yet sure. The probability is still low as of this time. And for the zoom in satellite animation, we are going to zoom it across the Philippine Islands. You can clearly see here this large array of thunderstorms generated by the surface trough across MiMaRoPa. So this will bring more thunderstorms becoming more frequent over Palawan because of the surface trough, and while the rest of the archipelago will have afternoon or evening isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms that will last for about an hour or two. But sometimes there are 1 or 2 up to 3 back-to-back thunderstorms depending on what it is developing nearby, okay? And here's the rain forecast for the next 3 days through the weekend until Monday afternoon, since Monday is another holiday. By the way, today Friday is a holiday, a killer day. It was moved from 21 to the 23rd by the Philippine government, and on Monday it will be National Heroes Day. So right now, you can see here the thunderstorms generated by the surface trough over Palawan. And as the afternoon progresses, thunderstorms will also be expected in various sections of the country. Right now here in the Bicol region, Naga City, we are experiencing some isolated thunderstorms that are bringing heavy rainfall across parts of Camarines Sur, including Naga City. And by Saturday morning, it will be okay, but in the afternoon, tomorrow Saturday, another round of thunderstorms will be expected in various sections of the country, including the Bicol region, Mindanao, Palawan, Mindoro, and other parts of Luzon. And on Sunday afternoon, thunderstorms until Monday afternoon. So we expect this is a day-to-day basis, these localized thunderstorms, after a few weeks of dry conditions as we move into the wet phase of the Madden-Julian Oscillation, which is currently stationary over Indian Ocean and the area of Indonesia, but likely if it does resume, it is expected to arrive at our basin sometime the middle or the third quarter of September. Okay, so we expect another round of above average rainfall. So that's the rain forecast for the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days until Monday. So you can clearly see here, most of the rainfall are concentrated over the West Philippine Sea, MiMaRoPa, Visayas, parts of Mindanao, Bicol region, Southern Tagalog provinces, and some parts of Northern and Central Luzon. So these are mainly due to the localized thunderstorms and the possibility return of the southwesterly wind flow that could generate more thunderstorms across these areas for the next 3 days. And for the wind forecast, nothing to worry here. Most likely until Monday, the Philippine Islands will have generally calm conditions with variable winds, although by Monday we will be having a slight southwesterly to westerly winds, or we can call this a weak Habagat, across the Visayas and MiMaRoPa area, as well as over Zamboanga Peninsula. So watch out for another round of thunderstorms that are expected to be felt across these areas in the afternoon or evening, or even during early morning. So don't forget to bring your rain gear and umbrellas. And for the wave forecast for the next 3 days, today, Friday, Saturday until Sunday, we expect that wave heights here. So let's put it first until Saturday. Wave heights over the East Philippine Sea is only up to 1 meter, so very light. While over the inland waters of the Philippine Sea, it will be up to a half meter, calm to very light conditions. While over the West Philippine Sea, it will be up to a half a meter only. So it is suitable for fishing and sea travel. While on Sunday until Monday, because of the resumption of the southwesterly wind flow, those areas over west of Palawan, over the Calayan Island Group, Spratlys, West Philippine Sea, the southern portions of West Philippine Sea, and the Sulu Archipelago, there might be increase of wave heights of up to 1.5 meter because of the arrival of the southwesterly wind flow, but still safe for sea travel and some fishing, especially in the morning until noontime. But in the afternoon, we expect these thunderstorms once again over the western sections of Luzon, or over the central and western parts of the west, or over the central and northern parts of the West Philippine Sea. The wave heights here will be up to half a meter. Okay, so very safe here. Over the East Philippine Sea, same conditions, up to just a meter in wave height. And again, except for MiMaRoPa, west of Palawan, Calayan Island Group, Spratlys, and Sulu Archipelago, fishing will be great. Okay, but here it's gonna be 50-50. It depends on the wave heights, which is again, although it's slight to roughly moderate, but sea vessels can fish around here, so nothing to worry about. But again, because of the arrival of the southwesterly wind flow, we expect some increasing wave heights here by Monday, August 26. Okay, so that's the latest from the wave heights. Now for the Global Tropics Hazards Outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, valid for the next 2 to 3 weeks. And this is issued last Wednesday. Now for week 2, valid August 28 to September 3, the Philippine Islands will shift to above average rainfall of more than 65%, especially over Palawan, MiMaRoPa, okay, Visayas and Mindanao. While over the northern parts of the Philippine Sea and the West Philippine Sea, there might be 25 or more than 20% of a probability of a tropical cyclone formation. And on week 3, valid September 4 to September 10, this is highly uncertain since this is 3 weeks ahead of time. The probability here is remains low, and there will be that's a high of let's see, this tropical cyclone formation. So that will be a high of more than 60% across the Philippine Sea from September 4 to September 10. So this is due to the return of the Madden-Julian oscillation and the wet phase, and the formation of possibility of a tropical cyclone to the east and west of the Philippine Islands. So that's why it's more than 60% high probability here. But again, the third week is highly uncertain. Okay, so we will observe this within the next 2 to 3 weeks if this will come true, but let's hope it will not affect our country. But again, we are always resilient enough when it comes to these tropical cyclones, especially during the Burr months, so please take all necessary precautions once again. So there you go, that's the latest for this Friday, and we'll return next week for another update here in our country, the Philippines. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua saying happy weekend, God bless to all. Stay safe always. And thank you so much for watching our channel.